What's going on, people of YouTube? So this is Joshua's #1 food reviews. I'm back, and I got another good one for you guys. So I'm at this Little Caesars location, about to try the $5 classic cheese pepperoni together, and Italian cheese bread and jalapeno sauce poppers. So are you guys ready? And then I also got my trusty drink here, trying to save some money on soda. And let's chow this down. Hi, so I'd like to try that $5 classic cheese.
Okay.
On like half the pizza, can you make it pepperoni and then half cheese?
Sure.
And then I'm gonna get 4 of these jalapeno cheddar things.
Okay.
And then the Italian cheese bread too.
Did you want the marinara sauce with that?
With the cheese bread?
Yeah.
No. How much is it? Yeah, did you get the sauces?
Yeah. So
Okay.
4 dippers and a half pizza with Italian cheese bread, and the drink comes out to 13.
Yeah, have pepperoni and cheese.
Yeah.
Josh.
4?
Yeah.
That's a sure.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, people get offended by it. I'm like, I don't care.
Cool.
Yeah, I got this online.
Please, did you see a shirt?
See the police, Warner Brother.
I have a shirt like that.
Oh, you do? Cool, thank you.
It'll be about 10 minutes.
Okay.